So your countertop dishwasher isn't draining all the way? Oh no, where do we begin? I'll walk you through troubleshooting a countertop dishwasher that isn't draining properly. And actually, we'll decide whether it's worth fixing the dishwasher at all. Dirty dishes are never fun, and that's why you got yourself a countertop dishwasher in the first place. However, now your dishwasher is not draining all the way. Let's take a look at this common dishwasher problem. Inadequate draining is one of the most common problems with dishwashers in general, since the drain valve or drain pump will come in contact with dirty water for the life of the dishwasher. So here we go. You load your dishwasher and select a cycle like you normally would, and then you wait for your dishes to come out clean when the cycle completes. However, you notice your pump seems to be getting louder and water flow out of the dishwasher seems to be getting slower. Lastly, you open the dishwasher door, only to find a pool of water in the bottom of the dishwasher tub. The water was supposed to have drained at the completion of the cycle, but the drain cycle timed out and completed before all the water could be removed, so we clearly have a drain problem. Now, I know from experience with this dishwasher that this doesn't look right. Is it clogged up, or do we have something else going on? And I know from experience that this doesn't sound right. The pump is loud and obnoxious, and it's clearly struggling to pump water out of the dishwasher tub. So this particular countertop dishwasher is made by SPT. The model is SD2201, but that's really not relevant here, since this advice applies to almost all countertop dishwashers. I found the SPT service manual, which recommends you clean the filters in the bottom of the tub when you encounter water drain problems. The best case scenario here would be a clogged filter or screen. But of course that's not the problem here, as these look clean and unobstructed. We'll need to go much deeper. We'll start by unplugging the power first. And since we need to relocate the washer to take the cover off, we'll need to remove the supply and drain hose on the rear of the washer. Supply is the smaller hose. The drain is the larger of the two, but that doesn't really matter at this stage in the game. They just need to come off. And be sure to get yourself a small catch pan, because you will probably spew some water when you take the hoses off. Taking a quick look from the bottom of the unit, I'm going to assume that our drain pump and associated drain valve will be located somewhere around here, but of course we have no access from the bottom. So we will need to remove the cover to assess the situation from a different angle. We can start by removing the screws on the rear of the unit. Venture down below for a couple screws on the bottom, and then over to the front for the remaining screws. You can lift off the cover once the screws are out and expose the inner workings of this compact dishwasher. Here we have it. Removing the cover reveals the fact that accessing the drain pump is not for the faint of heart. As far as I'm concerned, the compact design of this countertop model makes changing the drain pump a daunting task, more than likely involving the removal of the dishwasher tub. I have decided replacing the drain pump and drain valve to be an impractical repair, and this dishwasher is heading to the landfill or junkyard. The cost of a new OEM pump, valve, and the difficulty of repair are the deciding factors. OEM parts plus shipping exceeded $100, but this entire unit can be replaced with a comparable model for about $300. So the decision to replace rather than repair was an easy decision to make. So out with the old and in with the new. Many appliances today are built to be disposable, and this one was no different. I hope you learned from this video, and don't waste your time attempting drain pump replacement when your countertop unit fails. Subscribe to our channel and keep updated when we post new content. Have a great day!